Poultry feed mill is known to be a lucrative business that has progressed from small scale to an international market in a lot of countries where it is performed. This is a business that is open to thriving business owners, particularly those that live around poultry farm neighborhoods, or near to a farming community or poultry feed hub. All you need to start is a good location, and government-authorized center, consistent supply of grains and obviously, knowledge of running the business. It is necessary to mention that this business can't go out of fashion, due to the fact of the role it plays in the poultry farming industry. Depending on the scale you want to start, the startup capital for this kind of business can be considered to be moderate. As a matter of fact, you can start your own poultry feed mill, and then grow it big within a short amount of time, by reinvesting your revenues back to the business. Here are the important steps that you can undertake when you are planning to start a poultry feed mill. 1. Carry out market research of the poultry feed mill. Where is the gap in the current poultry feed market in your country? Who are the main players? What do they provide? How can you fill the gap and offer farmers something different? If you are not going to differentiate yourself, you are going to find it hard grabbing the market share from the current market leaders. Get some insight into the current poultry feed market and you will have an easy time identifying loopholes in the market that you can exploit with your poultry feed brands. If possible, you can hire an expert to carry out a feasibility study on the market before you proceed with your investments. 2. Acquire the training and technology on poultry feed formulation. Poultry feed formulation is a science. You must mix the right set of ingredients through a least cost feed formulation, in order to come up with the optimal poultry feed that will meet the nutritional requirements of poultry of a particular age and which is also economical to produce. You need to have a veterinarian background, with a focus on poultry feeding, to be able to formulate high-quality poultry feeds on your poultry mills. Alternatively, you may simply hire a poultry feed formulation specialist who will be in charge of operations at your poultry mill. Our ebook will help you optimize this. You can download the ebook in the video description. 3. Have a business plan for poultry feed mill. Based on your above research and insight, draft a business plan on the form your poultry feed mill will take. What will be the capacity of your poultry feed mill? What will its management structure be? Who will be your target market? How do you plan to source your raw materials? How do you plan to distribute the finished poultry feeds? What will your marketing plan be? How do you plan to secure capital for the poultry feed mill? These are some of the questions that you should answer in your business plan. The poultry feed mill business plan will serve as your lighthouse, guiding you towards your objectives of setting up your poultry feed mill plant. 4. Get a good location for your poultry feed mill. Poultry feed milling plants need to be built in specific locations, and you will most likely need a local council clearance before you proceed with the project. It is most prudent to position a poultry feed milling plant in a location with numerous poultry farms, as you will have a ready market for your finished products. 5. Buy the poultry feed mill equipment or machinery. The easiest way to make poultry feed mill machinery is by sourcing them from China. We have outlined in several articles on this website, poultryfeedformulation.com, on the type of poultry feed machinery that you should purchase, as well as the considerations that you need to keep in mind when sourcing your poultry feed mill machines. 6. Procure raw materials and begin processing. Sign deals with the raw materials suppliers in your locality and start processing the first batch of poultry feeds for your requirements. It is always important to maintain a reliable supply line that will ensure that your feed processing line runs at all times. 7. Brand and market your poultry feed mill. There are various ways to brand and market your poultry feeds. Branding is often about product differentiation. Tell your customers why your poultry feeds offer customers a superior advantage. When it comes to marketing, there are various ways for a new poultry feed mill owner that you can use to reach out to farmers. These include agricultural shows and exhibitions, agricultural magazines, TV, and radio commercials, among many others. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification button to be updated with our future videos.